What's up, everybody? We're back. And guess what? This time, we are not leaving. We are officially full-time van lifers. We left Kansas 4 days ago, drove 1,700 miles through 5 states to make it to California to start living our dream.
But before any of that, we have to make a stop in Roanoke Park, California at Owl Vans so they can install a bracket on the rear door so we can mount our storage box. Because without a storage box, we have a large mess. And I can't live like that. So that's the first part of our storage solution upgrades. Getting this box installed, and then we're gonna head to Washington to get a internal storage box installed.
So why did we need to come all the way to California for van life? Well, because this is where van life is doable. This is where the public lands are. This is where the outdoor lifestyle that we're really craving, the hiking, the camping, the kayaking, it's accessible here, not just in California, but in all of these Western states. So that's where we want to be. We want to be in the western part of the United States, really enjoying and using our public lands. That's not really something that you can do in the Midwest or the South or the East because there's not very much of that public land.
So we're on our way into Roanoke Park because we have an appointment at Owl Off-Road to get that rack installed. But I think I need to wash the van before we take it there because it's a mess. And I don't want them working on it when it's really dirty. And I think we'll stop and get some lunch. I'm gonna try to find an In-N-Out burger. We don't have those in the Midwest, and I'm looking forward to it. It's probably not all that it's hyped up to be, but I'll be the judge of that, I guess.
The guys at Owl Vans did a great job. They got us right in, helped us with a few things. So that was a quick and easy process. And now we're headed to our camp spot for tonight. We have broken this trip out here to California up into 4 or 5 days. So I thought I'd tell you a little bit about some of the other places we've stayed on our way out here. In Colorado, we stayed just past Denver in Idaho Springs. We just drove on a couple different forest roads and then we found a pullout. It was really pretty, and the smell of the pine forest there was absolutely amazing.
Very hazardous though.
Yeah, it was a little hazardous. The next day, let's see, Colorado to Utah. In Utah, we stayed between the towns of Price and Spanish Forks. This was just a BLM kind of established campground. Pretty views. The next night, we did a harvest host in Nevada. That was Kruzer Winery. Really sweet little place, small family winery, surprisingly good wines. Lots of close neighbor farms with an eclectic group of animals that we enjoyed watching that really added to the charm. And we met some nice camp neighbors that we had a good time with. So they were fun and they made the experience really great. The following night then was last night. We stayed at another harvest host, Village 360 in Fairfield, California. That's where we woke up and where we saw you this morning. So tonight we're going to finish up a third harvest host, which is Rolling Hills Casino and Resort in Corning, California. Look at this beautiful place we found. Oh my goodness, this is Shasta Lake. Oh, it's amazing. Look at this. This is our home for the next day or two. After stopping in Roanoke Park and getting the box put on the van and rearranging, we were tired of driving and looking for a lake because it is hot. And we have seen pictures and other videos of Shasta Lake, and so we thought this was the perfect place. It wasn't too far from where we were. We still have to drive to Washington, and so we'll talk about why we're doing that later. For now, we need a break in the driving, and this is going to be the perfect spot. Shasta Lake is just north of Redding. It's the largest man-made reservoir in California, and it comes off the Sacramento River, and it is beautiful.
You should see this one. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it. It's emerald green, but very clear. It's gorgeous. And you got slowpoke back here pulling up the rear. You're not going fast enough.
I'm beating you.
Better watch those boats. You might get run over. Let's go, pick up the pace. It's got this little island right in the middle of the lake. And this tells you how low the lake is right now. You can see the marker on top. And somebody planted an American flag, which I love. And once again, slow pokes pulling up the rear. Nope, you go on. You're going to drag me under with you.
That's the plan.
So it appears we did have a leak and taking on water. Right there. So, okay, go ahead and plug that back up. And just stay right there.
Okay, forever.
Stay right there.
Okay.
I'll be back in an hour or so.
Okay.
Just no more than an hour. Tight, but I think I can make it. I got my cilantro and salt and pepper in there. We have a dinner guest. Go on, run along now.
Good morning. It is absolutely beautiful here, but way too hot. It's just about 8 o'clock in the morning and it is already 85 degrees and just gonna get warmer and warmer. And it's calm right now, but it's supposed to be windy again. And because the kayak sprung a leak, we've decided to go ahead and move on. We're gonna try to find cooler temperatures. We have the box, we've gotten it all full and pretty settled. However, inside the van, let me grab my tea. We are still really stuffed in here. So this is only the first part of our storage solution. Over the next few days, the next week or so, we are going to make our way to Washington to get the second part of our storage solution. Well, this has been an amazing beginning to our dream of traveling full-time in the van. This is going to be such a great adventure. There's been a few bumps, but nothing too terrible. And we'll be really excited to get the rest of that storage and get settled. We'll be staying mostly in Washington and Oregon for a while. So if you have suggestions of where we should go, places to camp, places to see, things we have to do, please leave them in the comments so that we can start planning. And it would really help us out a lot if you could subscribe to the channel. We'd like to continue to grow. So give us a like, give us a comment, and subscribe and stay connected. And we'll see you next time.